Hello, mathematicians, puzzlers, and other curious people. It takes a lot of practice to become an expert at most things, and math is no exception. It takes specific practice in particular skills, even. One of those skills that you might need to practice is multiplying polynomials, and here's how you can make your own practice problems and check that you've done them accurately. Let's check it out. So we're going to start by letting b equal 10, and that's because b is the base of our base 10 number system. It would be possible to do this with other numbers as the value of your variable, but it's easier with 10, and when you're practicing, there's no point in making it more complicated than it needs to be good practice. So I'm going to let b equal 10, and then another way we can write 43 is 4b plus 3, that's 4 tens and 3, 43. Similarly, then another way we can write 27 is 2b plus 7. Now, I've got two binomials. These two numbers, 43 and 27, by the way, they're just randomly chosen numbers. You can just pick any number and it'll work. So now I'm going to take these two binomials and set up a multiplication problem where I'm multiplying them together. So I'll take 4b plus 3 times 2b plus 7. Then you can multiply those two binomials by the method of your choice. I choose the box method. So I'll do a side calculation for that right here. 4b plus 3 times 2b plus 7 gives me 8b squared plus 6b plus 28b plus 21. As often happens, like terms on the diagonal. So in all, we have 8b squared plus, let's see, 28 and 6 is the same as 28 and 2 and 4, so 34b plus 21. So that's a method you can use for multiplying two binomials, but now let's check and see if this worked. So, using the fact that b equals 10, I can plug that 10 back in and say, okay, we'd have 8 times 10 squared plus 34 times 10 plus 21. Well, that would be 800 and 340 and 21. Well, a side calculation would help me total that up. 800 and 340 and 21 makes 1,161. Now we can also check whether this is accurately done by multiplying our original two numbers. Again, by any method. You can grab a calculator, use any method you might choose. Let's see, 21, 28, 29, 30. 20 times 3 is 60. 20 times 40 is 800. Not a coincidence that we're seeing some familiar numbers, by the way. And we get 1,161. Now, I'm not saying it's impossible to make a mistake in both of these that matches, but I am saying it would be super weird. So I believe that this product of those two polynomials is accurate. So there you go, that's all there is to it. That's a method that you can use to generate and check your own polynomial multiplication problems. So try it out and become an expert. Calculator!